In this video, I'll guide you through how to schedule Zoom meetings in Google Calendar. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a Zoom link, invite guests, and make sure everyone has the right details for your meeting, all without leaving your calendar. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open your web browser and go to Google Calendar. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account you want to use for the meeting. This is important because the meeting invitation and reminders will be sent from this account, and your guests will see this as the organizer. Once your calendar is open, look toward the top left corner of the screen for the Create button. This is where you start any new calendar entry. Click on Create, and a small panel or window will appear, giving you a few options for what kind of entry you want to make. From those options, choose Event. An event is what you use for scheduled meetings, appointments, and anything that needs a specific time and date. When you click Event, a more detailed event editor will open, usually in the middle or on the right side of your screen, depending on your layout. At the top of this event editor, you'll see a field for the event title. Click in that box and type a clear, descriptive name for your Zoom meeting. For example, you might use something like Weekly Team Check-in or Client Introduction Call. A good title helps your guests instantly know what the meeting is about when they see the invite in their inbox and on their own calendars. Next, you'll set the date and time. Just below the title, you'll see the date and time fields. Click on the date to select the day of your meeting from the calendar that pops up. Then adjust the start and end time so they match when you want the meeting to begin and finish. Take a moment to confirm the time zone is correct, especially if you or your guests are in different locations. Now, add your guests. On the right side of the event editor, or sometimes just below the time, you'll see an option labeled Add Guests. Click there and start typing the email addresses of the people you want to invite. As you type, Google may suggest contacts you've emailed before. Select each guest and they'll be added to the invitation list. With the basic details in place, it's time to make this a Zoom meeting. Look for an option that says Add Video Conferencing or something similar. Click on it, and from the list of available providers, choose Zoom Meeting. If you've already connected Zoom to your Google Calendar, it will automatically generate a unique Zoom link and add it to the event. This ensures that everyone who receives the invite also gets the correct Zoom meeting information. Below that, you'll see a larger text box for the event description. This is a great place to add an agenda, any documents people should review ahead of time, or simple instructions like how to prepare for the call. Adding these details keeps everyone aligned and reduces confusion before the meeting starts. Once you've double-checked the title, date, time, guest list, Zoom link, and description, you're ready to finalize everything. Look for the Save button, usually at the bottom or top right of the event window, and click Save. Google Calendar will ask if you want to send invitation emails to your guests. Confirm that you do so everyone receives the Zoom link and event details in their inbox. And that's it. You've successfully scheduled a Zoom meeting directly in Google Calendar, complete with a title, time, guests, Zoom link, and any extra information your attendees need.